How to create Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to create a Gmail account without phone number, then what you can do is simply open up your Gmail. Once you've opened your Gmail, go for the upper right, which has your profile icon, and you can tap on add another account. And from here, you can choose Google and verify with your fingerprint or your password of your mobile device. And now you can tap on create account, which is on the middle left of your screen. Tap on create account and then you can choose personal use or for business. So I'll be choosing personal, and you need to enter the first name and the last name. So enter your name, tap on next, enter your date of birth like your month, day, and then year, and enter your gender, and tap on next again, which is on the bottom right. And from here you can create your own Gmail address. So I'll be choosing the third option. I'll be creating my own Gmail address. And if the Gmail address is not available, then you can simply add some more letters or numbers to it, and then you can create. And from here you can create your password. Make sure to enter a strong password. Once you enter, tap on next again, which is on the bottom right. And now tap on next again. Scroll down, tap on I agree. And that's it, your account has been created. You can simply go for the upper right again, and then you can choose your particular email which you have just created. So that's it. That's how you can create your Gmail account, a new Gmail account, without the use of phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.